This is Chris the Idaho Painter here on Paint Life TV. Today we are out at a house here and we are spraying aluminum windows. So can you spray aluminum windows? So yes you can. So we're here, the crew, the small crew. We've got Journeyman John and we got Ryan, Pro Pete here today. So John, can you paint aluminum windows?
Well sure. I think these ones are vinyl, but...
Oh, these are vinyl. So we're talking vinyl windows.
Both.
Why did I say aluminum? But you can do both. You can paint them. Here's a product right here. We're using a product called multi-surface acrylic right here, Pro Industrial. And this is a great product for that. Do you have to prime when you use that product, John?
No, this stuff is supposedly allowed or supposed to stick to, like if you take WD-40, spray it on a brick wall and then spray this on top, it will still bond. That's what we've been told.
That's straight out of Sherwin-Williams' mouth. So there you have it. We're gonna go walk over here and we're gonna show you what it looks like painting these windows. So we don't do it very often, but we occasionally get a request to paint windows. And so we do it. It's not cheap to do and it's a time-consuming process, but this will be a one-day process. So here it is. Here's the windows right here. And these are vinyl windows and we've got one coat sprayed on them already. We've masked them off, sprayed on them. We're using, John's got the Graco Ultra handheld right here, the Ultra Max right here. So this is what we're spraying them with. So we're going to show you what it looks like. We've got a 310 FFLP tip on there. We also got some other kind of interesting projects going on here. Customer has a naughty alder door right here. They wanted to get rid of the knots and they wanted it painted. So we're bondoing, using Bondo glazing putty to get rid of the knots, and we're going to paint it. So John's got one coat on here. Anything you did special to treat these windows, John, other than you got masking with frog tape? And why frog tape?
Frog tape because obviously we don't want it to bleed through onto the stucco. This is the house we did we painted the exterior on a little while ago. So, you know, we cleaned them, we wiped them down with the denatured alcohol prior to all of this, and now we're just going for it.
Here we go. Let's see you spray one of these windows here. What color were these windows to begin with, John? They were a bronze to begin with, kind of a bronze, and they faded really, really bad. So
yeah, unfortunately the builder I think ordered the wrong windows and thought it would be a good idea to paint the outside, and then they started having issues and discoloring. So this color is sealskin though. Yeah,
sealskin is the color. It's a nice looking bronze color. So there's a look at spraying that. We're doing all the windows around the house today. So here's some more windows right here, up high. I'm gonna give you a look at, just take it out. Here's another, give you a close-up look at this window right here, what we're seeing here. Go ahead and do that, John. So we kind of had an unusual situation. We decided to use a Graco Ultra handheld, which wasn't our choice, but why'd we choose to use that?
Chose to use this, I mean, one, just the portability. We're not going to need that much. We're going to use just over a quart total probably to do all of these windows. Two, I was able to knock the pressure down with that fine finish low pressure enough, and the product in the ultra deep base is thin enough that it's going to gel out without building too many mils of thickness, and so the windows will all still be functional. We wanted to use an HVLP or an air assisted airless, but it wasn't in the cards today, so we made do.
Unfortunately, it wasn't in the cards. That's another option. You can spray them with an HVLP. That is what we typically would spray them with. But we had this option of the Graco Ultra handheld to try today, so Here you can take a look at, we're doing all these windows all around the house right here. And the product, the multi-surface acrylic product, is absolutely amazing. And it's going to hold up really well. It's going to bond really well. The color is going to be very fade resistant. It's going to hold up excellent. So once again, it's one of those products, like John said, it just bonds to just about anything with little prep. There you have it. Well, can you paint aluminum and vinyl windows? Yes, you can. We've had success doing it. They've held up really well. See you in our next video. Out.